get me? I think the army turned itself off. So, guess where I am, if you want to guess. Spot on. How did you know that? It's great that, isn't it? Tells you everything you need to know about everything. Oh, Duck, the sun is out. I'm glad I've come out, Duck. 25 degrees we're at. I'm looking at Jodrell Bank now, everybody. Oh, Duck, yeah. Oh, God, yeah. It does, Duck. It didn't. It on Friday somehow. The weather was crap, and I didn't actually go out the countryside where I like to because I went to that J&S, didn't I? Oh, I tell you what, look at these views, Duck. It just blows you away. Yeah. Absolutely does. And what might be good as well, because I've got this body thing on, when I'm actually like doing a 360, when you do it on your helmet, it can be a bit all over the place because you move faster than you think. With it being on your body, it should be a lot more smoother when it comes to turning around. Yeah. Make sure you have some of that chocolate cake. It's lovely. No. There's 2 pieces. Please have one and have the biggest one. If listen, you're going to end up with a fat husband. You are. That's what you're going to end up with, aren't you? Bloody hell, this is nice. Testing, so that mic should be working fine. Okay, we're all mic'd up. Roadrunner. Well, it's a nice day, so we might get quite a few going on there. Well, it's absolutely beautiful today. What are we at? 25 degrees. And when you think about that month from now, bloody hell, we're well and truly into autumn. The leaves will be falling off the trees. Dark morning, dark nights. I'm not saying you're still going to have some nice sunny days, but they're going to become far and few between, especially when you talk about 25 degrees. You could have an India summer, of course. I know October can be, early October can even be nice. But anyway, when we hit October, well, we are talking fast approaching winter, which I believe is around about 1st of December, isn't it? Winter starts until end of Feb. And then we can start kicking into the good old March. You know what March means, don't you? It means March, April, May, June the 15th. You know what that means then, don't you? Hey, come on, you do know. Yes, it means 3 years to retirement, because I'll be 64. Don't feel it though. I feel like a young whippersnapper, especially on this piece. Whoa, let's get rid of it. I can do these moving out of the way, so I can do at least 100 mile an hour on this road. No, I'm joking. Do not do 100 mile an hour on this road. It is not the Isle of Man. And we have speed restrictions of 50 miles an hour, 50. 50, look, 50. There we go. So I ain't about to lose my license. If I did 100 mile an hour on these roads, I would be DEAD. DEAD. Kenny, what are you cracking up, man? You're cracking up on the strain of being a human being. Well, that's what you are. I wish it'd go a bit quicker though, 30 odd mile an hour. Move your asses, come on! Getcha! Sorry guys, I'm just being a bit mad. I'm just being a bit mad because nothing really matters. I don't give a monkey's about anything. Nobody does. So tickety boo. I was going to go out today, to be honest. Something I thought I'd never do, and I probably won't do, but I'm actually saying something that I think I'd never ever do. You know what that is? Well, there's a place, it's near Ashbourne, and I really don't know the place of this caravan park, and it made me think, it's a pleasant place to have a caravan, start a caravan. A luxury lodge. Now, how do I have a luxury lodge? I kind of thought, well, you know, can you live in it 12 months a year? And shall I go and live in a country lodge? In a nice. It's got to be a good one, you know. Spend about 130 grand on one. Sell my house, but then that's my children's inheritance, isn't it? And the caravan would be to just lose thousands upon thousands, as you all know, and your house will just keep going up. You're going to have to help me out. Whoever listens to this video, you've got to tell me, should you consider, for retirement, selling up, buying the house outright, you've got plenty of money to be able to pay for the ground rent, whatever that might be, and live in a luxury lodge. 3-bedroom one at least. Mind you, 2 bedrooms probably enough into really. Trouble is with them caravans though, static homes, whatever, they bang the rent up every year, don't they? Starts off, soon get it back when they say, oh, you don't have to pay for the first year. Oh, thank you very much, because you're already charged on the bloody house anyway, on the caravan, or the lodge. No. You're better off, Ken, in the summer months, just go and rent one. You ain't got to worry about depreciation. That's a better idea then, Ken. When you feel like it's summer, you just want to be out in the countryside, go and rent one for a couple of weeks or a month when you're retired, afford it. I guess that's not a bad idea. See? Always have to think about stuff first, don't you? Always. Great road this is though, it is. Very familiar road this is. The Macclesfield Road this is. Well, there's Macclesfield this way, that way takes you all the way up to the Cat and Fiddle. Of course, you know that if you see my videos, I'm always on this road. Oh, cyclists in the way, causing havoc. Causing havoc, man! You're havoc! Come on, you're going downhill. It should be going faster than 19 mile an hour. Oh, mind you. Yes, okay, fair enough. Lady and gent, you enjoy cycling. Georgial Bank over there, shining brightly. I came along here, I got a photograph, down a BMW or wheeled it along here, he did. And I caught him on film. Your secret's safe with me there, lad. I didn't know I was going to go on the bike today because we went first thing this morning. Where we went? Shops, Morrison's. Oh, that was nice. We went to their deli and had a. What did we have? I don't know. It's what do we call it now? It was like, well, we didn't have the hog roast. I can't remember what we did have, but it's like a pastry. They're tasty. £2.20 they are, guys. If you're ever out there, very, very nice. We only have to have. We had one each, and that's the day. That was the dinner sorted. We didn't want anything else with it. It's so filling. It's really nice. Anyway, then we came back. Then we both went in the garden, had coffee and chilling out. And then I thought, it's a sunny day. I need to make the most. Obviously weather, especially now we're coming to the end. Autumn is around the corner. Got to grab it while you can. So glad I've come out. Smell the beauty you can. Smell the beauty. I'm thinking now, shall I go and have a nosy at the motorbike shop? Look at the helmets and stuff like that. Staffordshire motorbikes? No, what are they called? Where they sell cheap bikes. Sold a scene. I don't think it's bothered, to be honest. I don't know. The video will tell us if I go or not, won't I? If it is, I'm showing you. There's a clip on the here where I'm behind a lady on a bike, motorbike, and I thought, okay, what kind of bike is that? I had no idea what it was. Anyway, traffic lights. I spoke to her and said it's electric. She loves it, she says. Does 80 miles on a charge. Yeah, very nice bike. I think I prefer the engines though, to be honest. Might be in 10 years' time, everybody's got one. If you're on a motorbike, nah, I can't see that. Not 10 years, maybe longer than that. 10 years, people will still be driving around on motorbikes with engines. That's what I think. I am going to have to pull this up a bit. Oh, mind you, if you do that, Kenny, you've got your mic on, haven't you? Yeah. So who's bothered about listening to you anyway, Ken? Not even I won't listen to me. That's what you call it, emergency braking. It really was. Don't want them on. Bloody hands are roasting, man. Let's put this in here. Hang on, so wobbly. That's it. It's gone in. Near lost my mic again. Right, we're good to go now. We're good to go.
A few moments later.
Superbike Factory. What did I call it? I don't know. Superbike Factory. Wow. Now that's Tiddle by. What can you get for 500 quid for a helmet? Don't want to spend 500 quid. Hell no. So why even mention it? Well, for 500 quid I wanted a jacket and a helmet and gloves and boots. Why shouldn't you be able to do that? And have quality brands, you know what I mean? You can't though, can you? Because everything's a stupid price. Yeah, you buy from us, you got to pay for all this shit we've got here. You got to pay for it all, kiddo. Ba 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 da 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 da. Dee 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 dee. Why don't you roll an over gallery? Oh, bloody hell. Just remember to take the mic out this time. Why don't you find It's a nice bike. Super fast, aren't they, these?
Oh yeah.
Hayabusa.
Quick, very quick. Oh, they handle very well.
Do they?
Yeah, honestly.
Comfortable.
I thought they'd be like bigger than been riding bikes for like 40, 50 years. But
Yeah.
it's like, I always wanted one, so I got one last year.
Good for you.
And it's brand new.
Nice colour as well.
Yeah.
Do you have a mirror? Can't see the behind again. Different. Put my glasses there so I know where to put it back, you see. I think maybe that's this one. Bloody hell. Put some white lines on that road, mate. Bloody hell. Give way that was. There's no white signs to say that's what you're doing. Good job on the car coming then. Bloody Sue Staffordshire Moorland Council on that one. You silly old cow. It's just beautiful, isn't it, eh? I love being out on this beast of a bike. I can't live without you. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to keep you.